Well, hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I'm gonna do this video all in one shot. Tonight, I am making a boozy beverage. I'm making a cocktail of some sort. Do you know why? Because I was challenged by a friend to make a fall-themed cocktail. This friend, her name is Mallory, from ImperfectlyMeCrafts. She's a crafty gal who loves craft beverages and doing handicrafts. So much fun. Well, let me tell you what I'm gonna make today. I'm making a slush. I'm making an apple slush, caramel apple slush. Watch me do it now, live. Here I've got my blender. I'm gonna start with some ice cubes. I'll just put a few in there. That's the slushy part of this cocktail. Next, I'm going to put some apple cider in there, right inside. You're like, Jim, I'm ready for some booze. Well, I got this little tiny bottle of Jack Daniel's Tennessee apple flavored booze. Let's see what that's like. It's a lovely whiskey. Pour that inside. And then we need some caramel. Guess what? I got some caramel here. Scoop it out, drizzle it in. Wow, it actually smells extremely appley already. Oh my gosh, add that caramel. It's gonna be great. Finish this jar, I think. Gotta be caramely. All right, let us get blending. Boop. Okay. Put the lid on and start blending. You're gonna have to check out Mallory at ImperfectlyMeCrafts channel. She is amazing. Subscribe to her channel. Blend it. It's a light slush, a little slushy, but I need to drink it now. Oh my gosh, it looks great. Airy, very airy. Okay, let's give this a try. Thumbnail. Okay. Simply phenomenal. Love that caramel so much. That is a great fall drink. I'm so happy you joined me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Not only do I make things you can eat, I make things you can drink too. It's been such a pleasure having you here. If you want to see more of these videos, just subscribe to my channel, okay? Check it out. Why did the cowboy get a wiener dog? He wanted to get along, little doggy.